Hi traders, how are you today? I hope that today is as wonderful day for you as it is for me. I presume you are curious about how cycles can be easily determined. During this video, I'll show you why traders who analyze cycles achieve greater efficiency than other traders who don't. Maybe you already feel somewhere deep inside yourself, maybe you have already noticed many times that the cyclical nature of the market is not some magic, but unfortunately, you focus too much on the price action, completely neglecting the time factor. Please watch this video to the end because as it runs, I will give you the settings of each presented tool. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start the rock and roll. So guys, the whole idea is to arrive at such a way that you can forecast the cycles which will happen in the future. So we'll arrive over here soon, so we'll start from the scratch. From this chart. First thing we have to determine as a cycle, we have to determine where's the first leg of the cycle. The first start of the new trend. At the moment we are on #4, it's H4 chart on EURUSD, and as you can see, the first leg is that little bastard here. So we have to determine in such a way. The tool I'm using for determining the chart as a time factor is so-called Fibonacci cycles. You'll find them over here. It's insert Fibonacci time zones, it's called. So it's Fibonacci time zones. I put them here. So it starts 0 point is right here in the bottom, and the point 1 is just where the first leg of the trend stopped. So we got a couple of candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 candles. Fibonacci number 13. Whatever, it's another story. I'll send you one day. I give you a link to a book with funny numbers and connections to of the market to Fibonacci numbers. So first we determine as a cycle part. So that's our smallest cycle. As you can realize, I'll tell you something over here about so-called octaves. Like you've got in music, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. W.D. Gann considered that that's the magic number, divine number, and this harmonic number. Harmony of the market is based on 8 sequence. You can see over here, so we got first leg here, so we got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we consider here the cycle ends from here to here. And again, if we calculate here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are nearly in the bottom of the cycle. Obviously, it's not precise, but it just gives you a general idea how it works. So it's not special settings. You find only this this extension. It will be alright. Next tool I'm gonna use is so-called Fibonacci Fun Lines, which again I put them in the same way. I put on the bottom of the start of the market here and put the other top line on the top of the first leg. So let's do it. Here we go. And as you can see, we've got already really nice fun. The advantage of using this Fibonacci fun is, those fun lines, is that as you move the chart, nothing changes. The angles remain the same. So it's very useful, because if you put other tool like angles over here, trend line by angle, you will see as you move the chart, the angle will change, so it doesn't help us very much. This one is perfect. It stays as it is. So that's the story. And as you realize here we got 0.0 here, yeah? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4, no, it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so on number 5, we got one top. Here we got another top. Over here, we haven't got top at the moment, but I'll show you further how to find it. So, at the moment we are here. The market moved here and, let's say, stays like this. And we don't know yet it's going up or down. So we determine the first leg, and that's it. Now, as you see, the price here, even if it falls, this one of these lines works as the support line, and the other one is a resistance line. Look here, what happens? It jumped here, the price, went a couple of pips, 20, 30, 40 pips, and again it stayed here and didn't go further. Let's have a look further. And you see, the price couldn't pass through the next line as soon as it broke here. It stays between those lines for a long time. Already here, it started, it tested once, came back, tested the second time, and came back again. Look at this one, what happens here. As you see those lines, so this line, line number 5, it's, we might say, is a line which divides bull market from the bear market. So here the price stopped. As you could see, there was a temptation to go back again further, but already the price started falling. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. Look what happened here. So, but it's not the end. It's just the beginning. So we determined the first leg. What I used to do, after determining the first leg, if the second and third leg appears, I move the top point to the second leg, which is over here somewhere. And we got same story, only the slope, it's not so steep. And again, as we moved over here, you see price jumped over, but it couldn't go further because here is a 0 point. This line, if you extend it, the price hit exactly this line. There's no way to go further. Now look at this chart, how the price does behave. It broke one line, it broke the second one, came back. It's shown that the market wants to go down. Strong sell pressure, the spin bar over here, the spin candle. And as you could see, the price dropped again and broke the line. Again, the price found support over here, broke it again. There was another try to go up higher, but here we know was the 90 degree. And it couldn't go further. So the price, look here, as soon as it broke, it started collapsing. It collapsed, it broke one line, the second one, just tried to get back, and continued. What else? Next. Look further. This line here is clear resistance line, because the price went down. This resistance doesn't let the price come back. So then the next line, the price stopped here, came back with a strong impulse and started to continue again to this line. That's what we used to call trend line, and we don't know how they get born. It's just the way, those funny angles, which I'm showing you right now. Look what's happened further. We are on 20th December. The price came back here, tested it, and couldn't go through. And again, The price is here. What do you think? What's gonna happen next? This price should turn back to the line, test it, and then can go further over here somewhere, 13 and something, whatever. It comes from the other. It comes from the, it's the issue for the next discussion, another video. So that's how we do. First, once again, we determine the leg here. As soon as we see that the second leg has been formed, we put this top of this line 0, line 90 degree, put it here. And as you could see, as the price crosses above, it wouldn't go much further. That's the story at the moment. It has to be a correction here at least. So that's the first one. What is the setting of Ganfan? That's what I wanted to tell you. As you see, we got lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we start from 0 degree here, and we end up at 90 degree. Theoretically, it doesn't look like 90 degree, but that's the way the Ganfan is made. I show you now the settings for this fun. So it looks like that. Just let me show you. Fibofan properties, and we got here the properties. So we start with line 1 is 0, 1 to 5, 0, 25, 0, 375, 0, 5, 0, 6 to 5, 0, 75, 0, 8, 75 is line number 7, line number 8 is 1. So we got 0 here, 1 here, and all this area is divided in octave. If you divide a unity by 8, you will get exactly first value here, 0.125. And if you add up values 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the difference between those angles in measurement units is 0.125 for each. That how we do, how I set this fun is very useful. And I tell you, that's very nice indeed. It is exactly octave, and market goes up and down and up and down. If you know something about music, try this do mi sol part, or sol si do, whatever. They are the most obvious sequences in music, and the markets go in the same way. So we divide in 8. Another one, I put something like Fibonacci retracements, but they are set again in different way. So as soon as the market hits the top here, I put the retracement, and that's what we've got. Look, this is again from 0 to 8. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we got 50 degree retracement, the most important by WD Gann. So, as you can see, the price just tries to get to this value, and in the area of 50 degree or 62 degree, like 65, like here, it's coming back till the market starts growing again. So having those values is very useful, the horizontal ones, very useful if you are day trading guys. So you can find here strong resistance and supports. As soon as the price breaks, somehow it goes to the next level. So you can try it on M5 or M15 if you work over there. So the settings for those vertical lines again are made in such a way. I'll show you. Here are the properties. So we got 0 and 1 point. And again, the settings are the same, 0, 1.25, 0.25, 0.375. So again, you divide a unit in 8 pieces, and you get the settings of the horizontal line. So we got horizontal line set vertical lines set. All is adjusted. Those horizontal lines are adjusted to the trend, so we look further how it behaves, how it hits. Like here, you can see the price couldn't reach there. Already we got the signal that the price is too high. The level was broken and the market went down. That's how it looks like. So next time I'll tell you something more about cycles, and I'll try to introduce you into the cycles using the circles. I'll show you how to use circles. Like here, we'll draw a circle. You could determine where the price could get, having only this top and this bottom. That's it at the moment, guys. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.